Let's create image using Airtable and Replicate. So in Airtable, we can simply write name and a prompt, and we will save images in the next column called image. In Veyrax application, we have a step-by-step flow where we first ask AI to retrieve an image with prompts and then initialize image generation. Wait a couple seconds and get predictions. Finally, we ask it to upload an error handle if anything happens wrong. Let's click Save and Test. So when we do so, AI sends a command to test the whole flow. And what it does, it simply follows all of the instructions which we carefully created using the Create Flow folder. So let's see how it can work with that tool. Right. Yeah, so test flow started, and now we have prompts but no image. Okay, let's start now create an image. So yeah, AI complete this task fluently. Okay, and now we got like prediction ID. So this is some technical thing which is needed for Replicate, and AI understands basically how to use that. That's super cool, and we see like the result is success, and we can even like see this result. Okay. But let's just wait until we'll add it to the Airtable record. Okay, completed. And now it all succeeded. Let's go back to Airtable and see that our happy pirate is now generated. We can click on that. We can work with that. We can create new records. Okay, if I want to create anything else, or I can create more, I can write here. So for all images, generate. Right, and then you can do multiple steps just because it's agentic AI, not just a single command. You can again press Save and Test and use this integration. Also, you can modify it in the Create Flow section where you can just simply say, okay, I want you to and chance every single prompt on the step of generation. And then, okay, it will understand my context that there are some tools available for this application and that I can reconfigure the flow using some natural language processing. That's super cool. And I think this is how AI is gonna help us to solve many different complicated tasks. And I'm really happy that I show it to you right now, and you can explore different templates. Like this template is a really good one where you can just automate a lot of marketing efforts, a lot of fun to just generate these images on scale. You can just do multiple images. That's possible. Right, so here has been added some new changes, right? Okay, so we see some changes happened. Okay, enhance the prompt tab with AI. Yeah, looks like it's done. Okay, yeah, here it is. Nice. Yeah, you see the step number 2 enhance image prompts has successfully been added to our step-by-step instruction. And let's just maybe add one more example. So like, okay, now I want to have like kitties, right? And then good kitties, right? Okay, let's just jump and press Save and Test again and see if our workflow had been updated. Okay, now AI is thinking again, and in just a couple seconds, we get our magic. We get our new AI generated images, and then we see how it's going to be tested. So we have like Airtable image generation and upload workflow. We test it again. You see AI knows all of the context from this conversation also. And yeah, see, you found a record, good kitties with no image. So he understands that there is no image, and now you need to change that image. You need to generate that, you need to create the prompt, you need to use Replicate. And we see, yes, it's done. So actual image is ready. That's awesome. And now just the finish step, it updates Airtable record, and the enhanced prompt also completed. Okay, I see that enhanced prompt file doesn't exist in Airtable. Yeah, that's totally reasonable. So ideally we want to add this to like update record. Maybe we can define the schema just to reduce number of instructions, but AI can just, that's the magic of AI. It understands any error. It can just fix all of bugs. This is how Veyrax works. And we see that, okay, so a summary what happened. Wow, we got these kitties. Look at these pretty eyes. Amazing. So that's super cool. And best part, we can also like publish it. Okay, it's published. Amazing. And then we can schedule it, and like it can automatically create new images for us. It can even create new prompts. It can just, you can use these images later. You can interact with Airtable later. So this is the magic of AI. We can turn schedule off and turn schedule on. Amazing. Then we can also see flows that are running here in this panel, and we can see the overview. We can also use it with the API, which is, I think, super fun. You can call it by ID or just, call all flows. It also works with MCP server. So you can customize your flow, you can create a new one. And I think that's the power of the web, because AI is going to eat the web. And we at Veyrax really believe that we need to ship really good features to help people use that advantage of AI.